In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change taskbar icon size in Windows 11, fixed today. Here, let's begin. Start by clicking the Start button and selecting the Settings gear icon. Once you're inside Settings, go to Personalization from the left sidebar, then click on Taskbar. Scroll down until you find Taskbar Behaviors, then click the arrow to expand that section. This is where you'll find options that control how your taskbar looks and behaves. Look for the setting called Show Smaller Taskbar Buttons, or click the drop-down menu next to it. If you want a more compact and minimal look, select Always, and your taskbar icons will instantly become smaller. If you prefer the default size, you can choose never to switch back to the standard larger icons. There's also another option where the icons only become smaller when the taskbar is full, giving you a balance between space and visibility. You can freely switch between these options anytime depending on your preference or screen space needs. To further customize your taskbar, you can adjust the alignment. Find the taskbar alignment option and choose left if you want your icons positioned in the traditional corner layout instead of the center. If you want a cleaner look, you can also turn off notification badges. Simply uncheck the option for showing badges on taskbar apps. This removes the small numbers or alerts that appear on app icons, which can look cluttered, especially when using smaller icons. You can always toggle these settings on or off depending on what works best for you. Now that your icons are perfectly sized and your layout is customized, your desktop experience is exactly how you want it. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.